A linear function is one that can be written in the form f at x is equal to mx plus b, where m represents the slope of the line, and b is corresponding to the y-intercept. Here we have a linear function, g of x is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. The slope of this line is the coefficient on x, which is negative 2/3, so we'll say m is equal to negative 2/3, and the y-intercept is the constant value 4. And we can write the y-intercept as an ordered pair, 0, 4. When graphing a line, we need to start with a point on the line, and the only point that we know of that is on the line right now is the ordered pair 0, 4, that y-intercept. Now from there, we're going to apply the slope, remembering that the slope is rise over run. If we have a positive number in the rise position, we travel up. A negative number in the rise position means that we travel down. A positive number in the run position means that we move to the right. A negative number in the run position means that we move to the left. Our negative 2/3 can be interpreted as having a negative in the top and a positive in the bottom, so we would go down 2 and then to the right 3 units, giving us another point on the line that's now situated at 3, 2. A slope of negative 2/3 can also be interpreted as 2 over negative 3, meaning that we could be traveling up 2 and left 3, and that would give us a different point on our line. So if we go up 2 and left 2 3 units, we end up with another point that's located at negative 3, positive 6. Now that we have a couple points on the line, we can connect those dots and graph the line of this linear function. Let's do one more quick example, and here we can see that the slope of the line is the coefficient 1/3, and the y-intercept of the line is the constant value negative 1. We can write that as an ordered pair, 0, negative 1, and that's the point where we start. It's the only point that we know is on the line at this stage. So starting at 0, 1 and labeling our ordered pair, we're going to travel up 1 and then to the right 3. Remember, the slope is rise over run. So up 1 unit, right 3 units, we land at the ordered pair 3, 0. But let's notice that we would still get a positive 1/3 slope if we went down 1 and then to the left 3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive 1/3, so we could have started from 0, 1 and gone down 1 and then to the left 3 to get another ordered pair on the line. And this one is situated at negative 3, negative 2. And now that we have 3 ordered pairs, we can connect these dots with the line that represents this function f at x.